Assalamualaikum grade 6, we meet again. Okay, as usual, I know that you all are healthy, happy, and always stay fit. Okay, this week we will learn about Unit 6. I'm so proud. What we are going to learn is many things in this unit, okay? But as usual, let's start the lesson with basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next, okay. In Unit 6, you will learn about present perfect, subject plus has or have plus verb 3, and since or for, present tense, and also adjective. Okay, in your book, page 60, you may see this one. I rewrite all the sentences here. Okay, I am Mike. I am 10 years old. I am good at geography. I like sports. I like sports too. I've played soccer for 3 years. I'm on a team with band. I am a teacher too. I teach my friend Tinky. Jadi yang Miss Sulis kasih tanda merah itu pertama to be namanya. M itu namanya to be. To be kita punya 5 ya. Yang present ada 3, is, MR. Yang past tense ada 2, was sama were. Saya Mike, pakainya I am. She is Ara. He is Rais. They are Alawi, Rasha, and Arjun. Ingat ada is MR-nya ya. Jadi to be-nya tergantung orang. Kalau orangnya satu, perempuan atau laki-laki atau benda, he, she, it pakainya is. Kalau orangnya I pakainya am. Dan am itu to be juga dipakai untuk menjelaskan usia. I am 10 years old, she is 11 years old, he is 9 years old, they are 20 years old, gitu ya. Nah, to be juga dipakai untuk menjelaskan kata sifat atau adjektif. Kalau di sini kata sifatnya adalah good. She is good, he is kind, they are pretty, ya kan? I am rich. Oke, ngerti ya? Nah, yang warna biru ini untuk menjelaskan present perfect. Kemarin kita sudah belajar di yang fun in the kitchen ada present perfect juga. Gunanya adalah untuk menyatakan kegiatan yang sudah terjadi di masa yang lampau, di past tense, tapi sekarang masih berasa efeknya atau akibatnya. I've made a shopping list. Aku udah buat nih tadi shopping list tadi. Tapi kan shopping listnya dipakai sekarang. Gitu ya. Terus I've made my bed this morning. Saya tadi udah beresin tempat tidur. Jadi sekarang hasilnya rapi, gitu ya. Nah, itu namanya present perfect. Oke. Nah, selain itu we also see here for. Ada for, ada since. For itu digunakan untuk menyatakan lamanya waktu, lamanya kejadian. Untuk berapa hari, berapa jam. I've waited for you for 3 hours. Aku udah nungguin kamu loh selama 3 jam. I've been here for 4 days. Aku udah di sini selama 4 hari. Arti ya, for itu digunakan untuk menyatakan panjangnya waktu atau lamanya waktu. Oke. She has been sitting there for 2 hours. Dia udah duduk di sana selama 2 jam. Oke, jelas ya. Jadi ada am, ada to be, is MR, ada present perfect sama ada for. Next. Nah, ini yang dibacain keduanya. I'm Sue, I'm 10 years old, I'm good at singing, I've learned lots of songs, I can play the piano too. I've played the piano since grade 2. I practiced a lot. Tadi am sudah dibahas. Sekarang can. Can itu namanya modals. Modals itu ada sekitar 6. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, sama might, sama must, 7. Oke. Nah, setelah modal, setelah kata-kata can, will, may, nggak boleh bentuk yang lain, harus verb 1. I can play, I can run, I can dance, I can sing, I will go, I will sleep, I will eat, ya. Nah, tadi ada kata-kata for, di sini pakainya since. Since itu menyatakan waktu mulainya kapan. Kalau for lamanya waktu, kalau since mulainya kapan. Oke. Nah, yang ini praktis pakai ed bentuk kedua atau past tense. Ya. I ran 5 kilometers yesterday. Saya lari 5 kilo kemarin. I ate mie ayam this morning. Saya makan mie ayam tadi pagi. I went to Florida last month. Saya pergi ke Florida bulan lalu. Jelas ya, itu berarti yang bentuk kedua, practice, when, at, itu dipakai untuk past tense. Next. Nah, teman-teman masih banyak lagi kata-katanya, itu di halaman 60 until 61. So you may read by yourself. Nanti kita akan coba identify, ini namanya tesisnya apa, ini namanya tesisnya apa. Oke, next. Nah, dari semua contoh tadi, teman-teman pasti akan ketemu yang namanya present tense. Subjek ditambah verb 1. Contoh, I am Kelly, I am 9 years old. Itu termasuk present tense. Ya. Terus, ada lagi nggak? Oh, I can only write a few words. Can only itu juga present tense. Kalau past tense-nya jadi could. Ya. Nah, present perfect tadi tuh ada I've learned, I've studied, I have met, I have played. Ya, yang pakai have atau has atau dengan bentuk ketiga itu namanya present perfect. Dipakai untuk menyatakan sebuah kejadian yang terjadi di waktu yang lampau, tapi efeknya bisa dirasakan sampai sekarang. Modal verb tadi itu ada can, may, will, would, dan yang lainnya. Oke. Modal verb ini bisa dipakai untuk present atau past tense. Kalau di past tense jadinya I could run, I might sleep. Ya, I might sleep this morning. Tadi aku ke rumah kamu loh, tapi kamu nggak ada. Oh iya, I might sleep this morning. Kayaknya aku tadi pagi mungkin ketiduran deh. Gitu ya. Oke. Since sama for digunakan untuk menginformasikan atau memberitahu tentang panjangnya suatu kejadian, panjangnya waktu, atau kapan kejadian itu dimulai. Ya. Since untuk menyatakan panjang, for untuk menyatakan kapan dimulainya. For untuk menyatakan panjang. For untuk menyatakan panjang. For 5 days, for 3 hours, for 2 days, for 2 months, for 5 years. Tapi kalau since itu menyatakan kapan dimulainya. Since this morning, since yesterday, since 1965. Okay, next. Let's listen.
Page 62. Dialogue. Listen, read, say.
How long have you studied Chinese?
I've studied for 2 years.
Have you been to China?
No, I haven't, but I'd like to go.
Oke, di sini teman-teman akan baca yang namanya how long. Berapa lama? Kalau kita mau menanyakan berapa lama, pasti bentuknya abis how long pakai have. Have bentuk ketiga. Ya, jadi kita pakai present perfect. How long have you studied? How long have you slept? How long have you eaten? How long have you watched? Gitu ya. Artinya berapa lama? Berapa lama kamu nonton filmnya? Berapa lama kamu belajar bahasa Cinanya? Ingat, kalau mau menanyakan berapa lama, kita pakainya how long have. Ya. Bagaimana kalau subjeknya he, she, it? Ya diganti aja. How long? Tetap. Kalau he, she juga tetap. How long have she went to Jogja? How long have he studied Italian? Berapa lama dia belajar bahasa Itali gitu ya. Nah, kalau tadi mau menanyakan how long, berapa lama. Nah, kalau sekarang kita mau menanyakan kamu pernah nggak ke Jogja? Pakainya have you been? Have you been to Jogja? Have you been to Singapore? Have you been to Italy? Have you been? Nah, jangan lupa ya, pakainya have you been. Oke. Nah, untuk pertanyaan yang how long, jawabannya pakainya for. I've studied Chinese for 2 years. Untuk berapa lama misalnya kamu tinggal di Jogja? How long have you been in Jogja? How long have you been in Jogja? Berapa lama kamu di Jogja? I've been in Jogja for... Ingat ya. Oke, next. Kita dengerin.
Page 62. Practice 2. Write, listen, say. 1.
English.
How long have you studied English?
I've studied for 6 years.
2.
The United States. Have you been to the United States?
Yes, I have. I went there last year.
3.
Italian.
How long have you studied Italian?
I've studied for a few months.
4.
Italy. Have you been to Italy?
No, I haven't, but I'd like to go.
5.
French.
How long have you studied French?
I've studied for 3 years.
6.
France.
Have you been to France?
Yes, I have. I went there last summer.
Oke, di sini teman-teman, you learn about asking question. Nanya pertanyaan berapa lama sama pernah nggak kamu. Oke, kalau untuk menanyakan berapa lama pakainya how long have. Ingat ya, how long have you studied apa? How long have you berapa lama kamu masak ayam gitu ya? How long have you cook? Ingat pakai bentuk ketiga ya. C-O-O-K-E-D, cook. How long have you practice? Berapa lama kamu latihan main piano? How long have you practice play piano? Oke. Nah, kalau kita mau nanyakan, kamu pernah nggak ke sana? Kita pakainya, ingat tadi pakai have you been. Have you been to Italy? Have you been to Japan? Have you been to Jogja? Have you been to Bandung? Have you been? Ingat ya, bedanya di situ. Oke. Nah, kalau menanyakan how long, jawabannya pakai I have. Berapa lama kamu bikin kue? How long have you made the cake? I have made. Jelas ya jawabannya, maka di sini jawabannya I have studied for 6 years. I have made cake for 1 hour. Oke. Pernah nggak kamu ke United States? Pernah nggak kamu ke Sukabumi? Have you been to Sukabumi? Yes, I have. I went there last week. Gitu ya. Kalau iya, yes I have. Kalau enggak, no I haven't. Nah, nomor 3 juga sama. Kita berarti menanyakan berapa lama kamu belajar bahasa Itali gitu ya. How long have you studied Italian? Kalau yang keempat, have you been to Italy? Oke, teman-teman di nomor 1, 3, dan 5, that one for the language. Ya, English, Italian, French, Indonesian, Japanese, itu namanya language, bahasanya. Jadi jangan ketukar. Kita negaranya negara Indonesia, bahasanya bahasa Indonesia kan. Tapi kalau negaranya kita bilang Indonesia, bahasanya kita bilang Indonesian language. Negaranya Italy, bahasanya Italian. Negaranya France, bahasanya French. Beda ya. Jadi jangan ketukar nih antara bahasa sama negara. Negaranya Amerika, bahasanya biasanya bahasa Inggris. Atau kita bisa juga bilang American dialect, pakai American bukan Amerika. Negaranya negara Jepang, bahasanya bahasa Jepang kan. Negaranya namanya Jepang, bahasanya namanya Japanese. Kotanya namanya Solo, bahasanya bahasa Jawa kan. Kotanya berarti kalau misalnya tanya, kamu pernah ke Solo nggak? Have you been to Solo? Kamu pernah belajar bahasa Jawa nggak? Berapa lama kamu belajar bahasa Jawa? How long have you studied Javanese? Ada nis-nya ya. Jadi jangan salah, jangan ketukar. Next, let's listen.
Page 63. Practice 3. Listen. Match. 1.
Do you study here?
Yes, I'm here for English class.
Oh, how long have you studied English?
I've studied English for 5 years.
Kira-kira yang mana? Yang English for 5 years atau yang English for 4 years? Ditarik garisnya, drag, match. Oke? Ngerti ya? Dengerin lagi.
You speak very well.
Thank you.
2.
Does your family like to travel?
Yes, they do.
Have you been to France?
No, we haven't. But we've been to Italy.
When did you go?
We went there last year.
Dia pernah kemana? Pernah ke France
3.
atau pernah ke Italy?
Can you speak Italian?
A little.
Really? How long have you studied Italian?
I've studied for a few months. It's interesting.
Dia bisa ngomong yang mana? French
4.
atau Italian?
Has your family been to the United States?
Yes, we have. We went there last year.
What was it like?
It was fun, but it was cold.
Nah, dia ke United States-nya kapan? Oke. Let's listen. Ini
Page 65. Letters and sounds. Listen. Say.
Heard. Search. Pearl. Work. World. Words.
Nah, ini bunyinya, soundnya seem similar, hampir sama. Sama heard, search, per, kalau or bukannya word bukannya, tapi agak ke juga, work, word, words. Jadi bunyinya hampir sama, it sounds similar but actually it different. Okay, next kita dengerin and you try
Page
to fill in.
65. Rhyme. Write, listen, say.
Have you heard about the search for silver, gold, and pearls? I heard last night. Let's get to work and sail around the world.
Have you heard about the search for silver, gold, and pearls? I heard last night. Let's get to work and sail around the world. Yang pertama, heard isinya yang mana? Pakai yang EARD atau pakai yang OR? Search pakainya yang mana? Yang EARD atau yang OR? Bisa ya? Okay, I think that's all for this week. Thank you so much, grade 6. Don't forget to always stay healthy, stay fit, stay happy, and put up your masker when you went out, and also don't forget to clean yourself after you are coming home, when you're coming home, and eat the good food. Don't forget to take vitamins and always be grateful. Thank you, grade 6. Wassalamualaikum.